me right. And it was just 4 days. And it was just 4 days. Come holler at them. They got me right. 4 days, Mo. And they did a little extra. Remember? This was fucked up. Dent, scratch. Old rocker panel was gone. And they put new these. It wasn't even shit wrong with it. They put new down. And I had the scuff from somebody sideswiped me, and there was a little scuff right here. They replaced it, buffed it out, all that. I need to get the whole jump paint corrected and buffed now. They're a little high, but it don't matter to me. I paid my deductible. That was the total price. They was a little high, to be honest, but it was a little situation. I might make a video on it. Little situation with the, well, shit, I might as well tell you. Geico said that I had hit somebody and somebody didn't hit me. So initially we was doing the uninsured motorist. But since that, I had appealed it. Well, basically uninsured motorist, but it took my deductible down $500. So I was trying to go that route. I didn't even know it was possible. But then they denied it, and I tried to appeal it. Called back 2 days later, trying to find out about the appeal. And they say, oh, you didn't tell us what you wanted to do, which was a lie, but they got finessed in the end. Shit was $3,000 here. It was $2,000 somewhere else, so they ended up paying a whole extra $1,000. So that's on them. Yeah, man, I said 4 days. It really was 6 days. Cause I brung it here, and the first 2 days we was going back and forth, and they ain't started to work yet. Going back and forth with Geico. But 6 days, man, I think that's pretty good. I ain't need to get no rental or nothing. Period. This video is short and sweet, man. Until next time.
Are you working today? Question mark. I could it be under